Now let's go back one more time to the editor over here and let's recognize something else. What we have right now is we have this passport object, we have the ability to log in, but after someone logs in, what else can you do with it? What's going to happen? Well, we also have an event that we have set up called passport.onLogin. And what passport.onLogin can do is it gives us the opportunity to catch when someone actually does log in. Now, this is part of what we've done with Passport to create interesting events or useful events that we'll want to be able to manage. So it's let's call it. So any of the code that runs in here is logged in. So let's just take, for example, let's be able to show the Ethereum address, or excuse me, the blockchain address of the user. So there is a passport.user, which is an object or an object within the passport object. But once we have a defined user, the user actually has a set of attributes. And we're just going to find this user's address. So console.login address. So in this scenario, we're going to do save and close once again. We're going to save over here. Once we have it saved, we're going to do a little bit of a refresh over here. And now let's actually log in, and let's log in using, let's actually still use MetaMask, because why not? So we're going to log in with MetaMask. It's going to sign with my account 1 here on the Polygon test blockchain. And now we're in and you see the green. So one of the things we should take a look at this point is we're going to take a look at the developer console again, the JavaScript console. What you'll see is here is the address of the user that's actually logged in right now. We have the ability to extract the information. In addition, if we pull this out, you'll see some of the other pieces of information that are there that gets updated. So here's all the information with the user. You'll see my name is Sandy because I had logged in the past. You'll see the last login. We're getting all this data that's managed by our system to give you a little bit more information about the blockchain. Now in this case, what you'll also see is that there is an email address that was associated with this identity. With certain users, we would mask the email, so there's some level of anonymity that is managed in this situation. But in this case, we do have the ability to pull the information and the email address programmatically if there's anything we want to do with the email address. So now what you've seen is the ability, and by the way, you're also looking at the left at what it looks like. We also have the ability to run in mobile and just operate in the same way. And remember, we can adjust the position of this nav bar based on the information that was in the parameter that was set earlier.